Good morning. Happy SAS semi-annual sale. Today is the first day. Hopefully you are out there, you getting everything that's on your wish list. But welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who've been rocking and rolling with your girl from day one, or if you've been here for a while, thank you for always coming back. Also, I'm gonna give a big old shout out to all the people that's watching all of my videos, vlogs, reviews, hauls, walkthroughs, sip and chat, and follow me on Instagram and using my hashtag Kimble Lit Wicks or Kimble Lit Wick. You are my MVP, my MVP, my MVP of the channel, and because of you, your girl keep posting. Thank you for always supporting me. I truly appreciate it. Today is the first day of semi-annual sale, and I know everybody is so excited. Hopefully you didn't spend all your money on Candle Day or Christmas gifts, I should say, and you just saved a little bit for the semi-annual sale. No, we really don't need nothing, but you know, we gonna go and we gonna look. My store opened up at 10 o'clock and it's like 9:30 right now, so I really need to be going because I kind of want to be within that first crowd to go into the stores. But yes, Bath and Body Works semi-annual sale, Yankee semi-annual sale, Victoria's Secret semi-annual sale. So it's a lot of sales that starts today. You know, if you shop all those sales, yes, today is the first day of all of those sales. Hopefully you got some coupons and you can save a little bit of money. Grab your wish list. I'm not really looking for anything. I'm really looking for a lot of 75% candles. I don't know if I'm gonna find them. I don't think I'm gonna find them, but when I did look on the website this morning, they had a lot of, I think it was $11.95 candles, which is not bad. $11.95 is not bad at all, but beware of some of those summer candles that they were asking 75%. A couple of months ago, they were 75% off. So be on the lookout for those. Do not buy those candles unless it's something that's on your wish list or your must-have wish list and you finally found it. Then yeah, go ahead and buy it at the $11.95. But if it's something that you don't really need and you could wait, pass it up. Pass it up. They know what they're doing, because those candles was like $6 the end of last semi-annual sale. So be on the lookout for those little tricks. I don't know if I'm gonna get body care. Normally this is around the times that I buy my body care, but I don't think I'm gonna get any body care this time. I don't know what I'm gonna get. I do have a couple of items on my wish list. Of course, honey wildflower, y'all already know I ride for that. You know, the candle as well as the body wash. And I truly love the body butter, but I don't plan on finding the body butter. I know I ain't gonna find that. So yes, that is one of my top items on my wish list. My other top item is the vanilla bean candle, the old version, not the new version. I already have the new version and I'm sure that candle will be around, but I'm looking for the old version, the one that has the steam milk in the scent notes. That's the one I'm looking for. Am I gonna find it? No, I probably won't, because to my understanding, they changed the candle back in the summer, so it's a big chance that I'm not gonna find a candle. I hope I do, but I don't think I am. So those are really like the top items that I'm looking for, and of course anything 75%. Also be on the lookout for a lot of the home decor stuff. You know, some of that stuff might be marked down. No, it will not be 75%. So do not expect for the home decor stuff to be 75% at the beginning of the sale. Once we get in the sale, maybe the second, closer to the third week of the sale, then yes, that stuff will be probably 75% off. So I'm finna head on to the store because from what it looked like, I'm talking a little bit too much. So let's head to the store and let's see what we can find. Hopefully we find some goodies. You never know. Also, let me know what is your top item that you're looking for. Leave that in the comments, because it could be something that your girl is forgetting about. So help me, y'all, help me, especially since y'all know I really don't buy body care. What is that #1 body care that I should get? Because I don't usually buy them, I don't normally smell them, but leave in the comments, let me know what is something that I should be, some body care that I should be looking for on semi-annual sale, because this is really the only time I buy it. So let's head on to the store and see what we can find. As y'all see, your girl is late.
I know, right? I know. I was like,
right. I didn't think I was this late. Oh my gosh, maybe I should have went to a different store, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna wait. Hopefully they don't have a limit to how many people that can get in the store, which I think they probably will. Dang, this sucks big time. Okay, we're gonna see, y'all. Okay, y'all, the store opened up a little late. We're moving into the store. Hopefully, oh no, I didn't make it. Let's see. Man, I didn't think I was this late, y'all, but it is what it is. I don't really need nothing, but you already know I'm gonna come just to make the video. So let's see. I'm almost to the front.
which, how easy is that going to be?
Just go. Did they say wait or something?
Pick it up.
As soon as I got into the store, I headed straight for the 75% items. I was shocked to see this whipped rose latte on the 75% because it just came out. I was super shocked to find that. But they did have a lot of stuff marked down. I was so excited to get into this store. Y'all just don't know. I was happy. A lot of $11.95 candles. It's not a bad price. It's just I have everything, so I passed on that. The men's collection. I'm not sure what's going on with the men's collection, but a lot of the new stuff was marked 50%, and I was shocked by that. As y'all see, I'm shocked by a lot of stuff on this semi-annual sale. The Whiskey Reserve, which just came out, maybe a month or two ago, and it's already 50% off. I actually really like that one. Now these hand wipes is a major pass for me. They're just not worth it. It's just my opinion. Go to Aldi, buy their hand wipes. I'm just saying, y'all. I finally spotted it. Honey Wildflower. Yes, my love. This store didn't have no candles though, y'all. Oh, I was so upset by that. It did not have any candles. But if this perfume would have been 75% off, I most definitely would have grabbed it. But it was only 50, so I passed. As y'all see, this store was packed. Oh my goodness. The line went from the front to the back. From the back to the front. I'm just saying. So I got everything that I was looking for, and I just left, and yeah, I'm good.
Okay, I'm done. Got my bag, a little small bag this time, y'all. They didn't really have any candles that I needed, but I'm getting ready to hit up another store and see what I can find. Okay, store number We're gonna see what they got. I think I'm gonna have to wait in line at this store because it's a little bit late in the game, and this is a very busy store, super busy. So let's see what they got, see what we can find. I got one more coupon and that's gonna be it. So let's head in here.
It lasts longer.
Well, she's too big. She's too big to take it.
Oh, line is long, but I'm gonna go on and get in it. I knew it. So we'll see. There's nobody at Pink at all. No line. So I might go over there next just to see what they have, do a quick walkthrough. But first, I gotta make it through this line.
That's one thing I could say about this store. They are always fully stocked with products. Yes, this is a high volume store, and I think this is the biggest store in my area, so they always fully stocked. I was surprised to see that wellness collection stuff on a 50%. If it was 75, I would have got it. As y'all see, the men's care over here is almost sold out. More $11.95 fall candles. When this one go on sale, that autumn day, if that reached 75%, I'm most definitely gonna grab that one. But $11.95, I don't really need it. But as I said, fully stocked. They had tons of candles at this store. 75% off on that Wicked Apple. But again, it's over here with the $11.95s. So yeah, just you have to look when it comes to this semi-annual stuff. If the packaging look a little bit dated and you know that it's an older collection, then you should know that it's gonna be 75% off properly. I'm not sure what's going on with these soap holders, but I noticed every store that I went to had tons. I don't know if they just overdid it or what, but all these stores have tons and tons of these soap holders. Nobody's buying them. So it might be a chance that we see those marked to 75%. Again, here goes the toppers, those snowflake toppers, I guess that's what they're called. I don't know. Wanted to try this Happy Vibes, but I don't think they had the body wash. I really didn't want to buy the lotion in it, but I kind of think I want to try that. Again, these 75% car refills is a major pass for me. I'm not sure what was going on with this lady, but she had a problem with me showing the boxes. I don't get it. I really don't get it. Here come more drama.
Can I ask why you're taking pictures of our products?
I'm a YouTuber.
I'm going to have to ask you not to do that because we don't do social media that way.
Okay, y'all, I'm done. I went to Yankee and I couldn't record there because the lady, I don't even know if I got her on cameras telling me not to record. They don't do social media like this. So I end up stopped recording, and like I told her, that's why we all go to Bath and Body Works. It's It's crazy because to get free advertisement, to get free social media, and then you say you don't want anyone to record in your store, that's crazy to me. And Yankee Candle is on the downslope, no sales, horrible candles. So I'm just saying, it's a old school company with old school ways. So that's the reason why I stopped recording in there. I decided not to buy anything. So yeah, you know, it's always somebody that wants to be the hero at all of these stores. Everybody want to be a hero. So it is what it is.
Okay, this is my third store, and again, I went straight for the 75% items just to see what they had. On this other side, they have this sweet whiskey, the lotion. Man, I wish I could find the body wash. Oh, I wish I could find the body wash as well as that single wick candle, but they don't have it in my area. So I just walked around. Now, y'all know I said these car refillers is a major pass for me. But this store, they almost got me. They almost got your girl. I was tempted to buy this sweater weather. Sorry. The sweater weather refills, but I passed at the last minute. I ended up putting them back. So, yeah. This candle is super old and the store will not let me buy it. So whatever with that. These next items is super old as well. But I'm gonna have to come back in another video to show y'all my haul because this video is just too long. So don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, follow your girl on Instagram, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.